Kobelco RK116 orange. Okay. Contender. Right problem. Number 19 Adfield Corporation. Okay. Roof Thinner Crane Track. Number
Crane boy.
Crane.
Number ano boy?
Number 19 Adfield Corporation. Okay. Okay. Orange number 19. Okay. Kobelco RK116. Good tender. Okay. Right problem. Good day. RK116. Roof Thinner Crane Truck. Okay. Adfield Corporation. Good tender. Okay. Good tender. Okay. Alright. Alright. RK 116. Oh. Okay. RK 116. Good tender. Kobelco. Kobelco RK 116. Roof Thinner Crane Truck. Okay. Good tender. No problem. Okay. Good tender. Alright. Kobelco RK116. Kobelco year month 1995. Okay. Good tender. Roof Thinner Crane Truck. Okay. LYNX 116. Alright. Good tender. Right problem. Okay. Okay.
Hello na? Kuha na? Ay, 1 week 3 days na.
Okay. Kobelco. Good tender.
Ato ba na rin?
Kobelco RK116.
Ay, bisan pa ka mo nga mo tinisan ko na.
Okay. Good tender. Roof Thinner Crane Truck. Okay. Good tender. Right problem. Okay. Orange number 19 Adfield Corporation. Okay. Good tender. Good tender. Okay. Okay. Roof Thinner Crane Truck Adfield Corporation. Okay. Right problem. Okay. Alright. Kobelco RK116. Alright. Good tender. Okay. Okay. Roof Thinner Crane Truck. Okay. Good tender. Alright. Orange RK116. Alright. Good tender. Okay. Roof Thinner Crane Truck. Alright. Good tender. Okay. Alright. Alright. Okay. Good time there. Okay. Good time there. Okay. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, and go.